Today, Lola is enjoying her first pig ear.
Wait. Okay. Hold on.
She picked it out herself. Oh, God. And she likes it a lot.
Holy shit!
And it may have not been the best idea to get her the pig ear because we may never get her out of the car. Whoa!
Oh God! God dang it!